This video is sponsored. Hey girl, welcome back to Glam Life by Meg, where I teach you how to efficiently and glamorously live your very best life. Say hi in the comments if you're new here. It's nice to virtually meet you. Before we get to the good stuff, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And don't forget to ring that bell so that you can be notified every single time that I post a video. I am so excited to announce the new LUXE wallet and debt-free PANDA collaboration wallet. It comes in this stunning navy. So if you are not familiar with the LUXE wallet, I have videos linked right here so that you can go watch and get a full in-depth review. This one is the same as this one. This is the LUXE wallet, the cash envelope wallet that I reviewed for you back in, oh gosh, December. I have been using it ever since. I absolutely love it. If you want to see the full in-depth review, it's up there. So what makes this one different? Well, first of all, the rose gold. How cute is that? So you have your same wrist strap that you have on the regular cash wallet. All of the hardware is just in rose gold. That is a really beautiful addition for something a little bit different. The zipper, wait, let's do that again. Yeah, we love how high quality their zippers are. If you're anything like me, you want a zipper to keep everything in the wallet. You know, there's the ones that snap closed and things can fall out. That is not, no. That's what attracted me to the LUXE wallet initially. So let's open it up. It looks exactly the same as the cash wallet with your same 6 on this side for card slots and 6 on the other side for card slots. You have your phone section. Oh wait, I can actually show you. I can put my phone in here. Phone, this is an iPhone 10. Oh my gosh, you can fit such a huge phone in here. You can fit your whole phone in here, no problem. And it's very protected, which we love. And another pocket right there. Pocket, your change pocket, yes. And of course the pen loop. That is a must, especially if you are budgeting on the go. So that lines up exactly with the cash wallet. The only difference is the new color, which is so stunning, and the rose gold hardware, which is mwah, love it. This wallet will have some really cute cash envelopes from Debt-Free Panda. They did not send me the actual ones because those aren't even made yet. I'm just out here being really exclusive. So they sent me some just so that you can see kind of what the idea is. These are not the final ones, but if you are not familiar with Debt-Free Panda, she's amazing. Check her out on Instagram. She makes these amazing tabbed cash envelopes that perfectly fit inside the LUXE wallet. Yes. She does send a little sticker sheet so that you can label all of your tabs as appropriate, which is super exciting. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in a set, and there's different styles, colors, patterns, all of that. I did get a sneak peek at what the envelopes should look like, and you're going to love them. Trust me. We also still have that pocket on the back. This should come as no surprise that I am incredibly impressed by this wallet because I use this one on the daily, as well as the planner. I use that all the time, and their new cashless wallet. Whatever I'm doing that day, I have a LUXE wallet. That's just kind of how my life is. And now thanks to you guys watching all my videos, this one is officially sponsored. Oh, look at that rose gold. Oh my gosh. That is so pretty. And it's so different for wallets. I haven't seen a lot of wallets that have rose gold. You know, it's typically silver and done, but this is cute. I will have all the information on launch down below in the description bar. This is set to launch on September 1st. If you want to get your hands on this, make sure you follow the link below. Before you go, make sure to answer the question of the day in the comment section below. And until next time, stay hydrated, sis.